Sorry, what's it on now? Just right now it's on. Well, you can see it. So just click here on escape. And once it works, then let's click like that. So let's watch it load now. Now it's starting. So what you have to do here is click on continue boot. So I'm just going to click here on continue boot. Sorry, I'm listening to Suicide Boys in the background. Very big fan of Suicide Boys. So right now it's switched off. So just got to press this again on button. So let's watch what happens. I did it. Now it's just starting now. So it's working. So don't forget to click here on escape. If it doesn't switch off, press this on button and hold down for more than 30 seconds. So hold the off button for more than 30 seconds. What next to do is, once it shows the light on the keyboard and it doesn't work here yet, but you can feel the fans and everything, go ahead to click here on control escape and keep on tapping. Just hold down control and keep on tapping escape till the screen turns on. If this doesn't work, then what you should do next is to go ahead to open the system. So I'm going to just look here. I'll have to open the system, the back. So once I open the system, I'm going to bring out the RAM for other people who are using a different kind of system. So I'm going to bring down the RAM, and what I have to do to the RAM is I have to clean the RAM, and after removing it and extra and putting back the RAM, so after that my system should switch on. So this is how to solve a laptop screen not coming on, but the laptop boots, or you can feel air coming through the fan, and also you can feel the keyboard lights getting off. So this is how to solve it. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have more issues, take it to a technician to help you fix this, or drop whatever you're still experiencing down in the comment section. Thank you.